going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Adilette 22 slide. Let's get into it.
This is Phase Ed Music.
First, it came in this blue Adidas box. It had the 3 stripes on the top of the box. You got your Adidas right here on this side of the box. We're going to flip to this side. Right here, it has the same 3 stripes and Adidas symbol. But then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Adilette 22. Colorway is Desert Sand, Desert Sand, Desert Sand. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to open up the inside of the box. Pretty much looks the same. I mean, it doesn't have anything on the inside of the box. I already took out the shoes. So the inside of the box just came with some regular white tissue paper on the inside of the box. And then it also came with the thing, I guess, what you would hang the slides on. But let's get into the main ingredient of this video. And that is the new Adidas Adilette slides. Alright, first of all, I had to start off by saying, man, this right here is just a different type of slide. I like the way it has the different 3D dimensions going all throughout the shoe. I know it's been compared to the Yeezy slide, but it is, to me, it's completely different. But if you don't have the Yeezy slides and you're looking for a slide alternative, I would definitely go with these because they are a very, very nice shoe. Very different. If you like different, and the colorways that they came out with so far are very nice colorways. But let's get into the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, it has this all 3D like material coming all throughout the shoe, and this EVA foam going all throughout the shoe. Nothing else too much to it. It's just that the way it looks, you can see the different little wavy materials, how it looks like it's coming out at you. I think they said this was made from, they made it from the US, not US, from people going to Mars. So I'm assuming that's what the concepts of the shoe was, the Mars, and then just the 3D dimensions of the shoe just to change it up a little different. It looks completely different from the normal Adilette slide that we are used to, that has the normal 3 stripes on the top. This one, as you can see, doesn't have any 3 stripes, but if you look at those waves a little bit, you can actually see how they try to make it, even though the stripe's not right there. Look at those little waves right there. It kind of reminds you of the 3 stripes that usually are there. But, it's still a nice touch to the shoe, but just a little different from norm. Doesn't have Adidas nowhere on the shoe like it usually would. But on the side of the shoe says the brand with the 3 stripes, that they have that right there. So they didn't put as much branding as they usually do on the slides on these. But it does still have that Adidas symbol right here on the inside of the footbed of the shoe, which is different. As you can see, just all those different like wavy like dimensions going all throughout the shoe. Just a very different shoe. I like it. I see why they do say it could be an alternative to the Yeezy slide because it's very different. You got the little wave material, EVA foam all going throughout the bottom. Whole shoe is a desert sand colorway that they say. It was like a shot. I caught these on the Adidas site. It was like a shot drop they had. I think June the 4th, I think it was. And yeah, they dropped it. I was able to cop because they actually sold out. Like, these slides never usually sell out, but they actually sold out. So I was like, wow, they really going. These are really gonna be the ones that everybody go for now. So it was 3 colorways that came out. It was these, like a green, and then it was like another green mixed with this color that came out, which was very nice. But I was able to cop the Desert Sand. This was the color I actually did want. I just wanted to see how they actually look. See if they was, what all the hype was about, because I had been seeing pictures online about them. And I was like, I just want to couple them just to see. But overall comfortability, they are comfortable. But comparing it to the Yeezy slide, I can't say that as far as comfort wise. I mean, it is very comfortable. Like, the EVA foam on here is squishy, but I'm gonna show you my Yeezy slide. As you can see, the EVA foam on the Yeezy slides are very much more better. Like, it's way more squishier. Like, you get way more cushion in these than you do these. But if you can't get these, this is a definitely second best to come and try to get, because they are a very nice shoe, just very different. Like I said, it's not like the normal Adidas that had the 3 stripes on the top. So if you didn't like the 3 stripes on the top, but you didn't care, either way, they're not on these. So these, just like I said, just a very nice shoe. The only thing about these, they retail for $55, which I think it's kind of steep, but I'm assuming it because these were made out of recyclable materials. That's why they had to maybe jack the price up. I don't know. If you know, let me know down in the comments below why these are so high, because they're not too much far off from the Yeezy slides. These retail for $70, so these retail for $55. And I mean, comparing them, I mean, like I said, Yeezy slide is way better comfortability wise, but I mean, I guess this is a good second alternative, but $55, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I paid it just to see how, you know, how they were in hand, and they are a very nice shoe. But the only thing about these is sizing. Man, sizing is nowhere near like the sizing is on the Yeezy slides. Yeezy slides, you have to size a full size up. In Yeezy slides, these, I would say you need to size a full size down. Like, I got my normal size and slides. I usually wear women 8 in slides, men 6, but these 6.5. But these right here, I got a men size 7 and a women size 8, because that's what the sizes said. And these are like too big for me, so that's one disappointment for me. I mean, I'm gonna come wear them anyway, but they just have a lot of room in them, and I'm not used to that much room in my slides. So I'm gonna try to catch them again when they do the actual, when they actually come out. I think it's June the 23rd or 24th when they actually come out. So I would say if you are going for these, make sure you full size down. So I'm gonna go full size down next time I get these, and they should be perfect. But other than that, like I said, overall, just a very nice shoe, very different. I just love the way they made it look with this 3D effect. I love the little ripple effect going on throughout the shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about these. This was the right shoe. Let me show you the left shoe. It looks the same as that way. You got your desert sand colorway going all throughout the whole shoe with this EVA foam. Very, very comfortable. Like I said, very comfortable shoe. Just not as comfortable as the Yeezy slide. Like I said, you got your Adidas symbol right here on the inside of the footbed. Like I said, you got the little ruffles right here. Like I said, it could actually be 3 stripes and you just don't actually see them, but I like that touch to the shoe, that even if they didn't try to do that, like I said, you got the ripples going everywhere, bottom of the shoe. Like I said, very comfy shoe. I'm not gonna take that away from the shoe, but if you looking for a second alternative to the Yeezy slide, then these are it. Or if you don't even like the Yeezy slides, then these are definitely it. So, but yeah, they come out, I think I said the 23rd of June or the 20th, one of those days, and they retail for $55. And if you're going for them, make sure you full size down. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This was the Adilette slide 20. It says Adilette 22. That's what it says on the tag. Some of y'all 360 again of those. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about them. This little tag also came on it that said Adilette 22. Like I said, just a very comfy shoe, different. And like I said, this seems to be the new wave. Everybody going for these, so I'm quite sure they're going to sell out again. But I see it's supposed to be a bunch of colorways coming out. So if you're not able to catch them on June 23rd or 24th, then you should have plenty more chances to cop them. Because like I said, this was just a shot drop Adidas did. I just guess just to see how they would do, and they actually sold out. So, and I was lucky enough to get them. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about these. Let me know, are you going for them? Did you pass on them? And if you're new to watching my videos, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.